It's Valentine's Day and one of my favorite pattern companies is having a site-wide sale to celebrate 20% off all the patterns from Itch to Stitch. The sale runs through tomorrow the 15th with the code BEMINE, and I hope you have some fun Valentine's shopping time. I have been testing and using these patterns for more than 4 years now and I thoroughly enjoy them, recommend them. You'll find a large variety, knit garments and woven garments, casual and more formal, for all sewing levels, some that are quite easy to sew to the most advanced, but always with great instructions. These great instructions always ensure that you can understand every single step. There is a diagram for every single step and you can accomplish great things with these patterns. The woven patterns have bust cup sizes A through double D. Some of the knit patterns have a standard bust and a full bust, and since 2020 the sizing has been updated up to 40 US, so a great size range. You can see all my makes here very fast and sped up, over 60 makes. All of them have videos on my channel and all of them have sewing tutorials. If you have any doubts about certain areas of the construction, you can always watch my videos and solve your doubts there. I really enjoy these. I'm always very excited when I'm starting one of these projects, printing, assembling the PDF, cutting my fabric. I'm always very confident that it's going to end up amazing. Highly recommend. I'll leave you my affiliate link if you'd like to use it, and a playlist on my channel with all the makes that you can see here if you want to see one more specifically. And I have added some line art here so you can clearly see what is what is the real thing. Sometimes with patterned fabrics you can't really tell. Happy sewing!